Today, we're exploring the legendary Great Wall of China, one of the most remarkable feats of engineering in human history. Stretching over 13,000 miles, this iconic structure has stood for centuries. Let's embark on this incredible journey through time and history. The Great Wall of China was built over several dynasties, beginning as early as the 7th century BCE and continuing through the Ming Dynasty in the 17th century. Originally constructed to protect Chinese states from invasions by nomadic tribes, the wall also served as a means of border control, allowing the imposition of duties on goods transported along the Silk Road. The wall is composed of various materials, including earth, wood, bricks, and stone. Key figures in its history include Emperor Qin Shi Huang, who ordered the initial unification of the wall, and the Ming emperors who expanded it into the formidable structure we see today. One of the most famous sections of the Great Wall is Badaling, located near Beijing. This section has been meticulously restored and offers stunning views of the wall winding over the rugged mountains. It's also the most visited and accessible part. Next, we have the Jinshanling section, known for its breathtaking scenery and original features. This area provides a more rugged and authentic experience, with fewer tourists and a glimpse of the wall's ancient construction techniques. The Muxianyu section is another highlight, celebrated for its dense watchtowers and well-preserved fortifications. It's less crowded than Badaling and offers a unique opportunity to explore the wall in a more serene setting. Lastly, don't miss the Simitai section, which is known for its steep and dramatic landscape, giving a true sense of the wall's scale and the challenges faced by those who built it. Planning a visit? The best months to explore the Great Wall of China are from April to June and September to November, when the weather is mild and the skies are clear. Entrance fees vary by section, but typically range from 40 to 60 Chinese yuan, about 5 to 8 euros or $6 to $9. Remember to wear comfortable shoes and bring plenty of water, as the terrain can be steep and challenging. It's also advisable to bring a hat and sunscreen, as parts of the wall are exposed. Hiring a guide can greatly enhance your experience by providing historical context and detailed insights. While in the area, be sure to visit the Ming tombs, located close to the Badaling section. This site is the burial place of 13 Ming Dynasty emperors and offers a fascinating look into China's imperial history. Another must-see is the Summer Palace in Beijing, a stunning example of Chinese garden design and architecture. It served as a retreat for emperors and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Also, explore the Forbidden City, the former imperial palace of the Ming and Qing dynasties, located in the heart of Beijing. Its grandeur and historical significance make it a must-visit destination. That's all for today's exploration of the Great Wall of China. From its monumental history to its architectural marvels, it's truly a must-visit destination. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing travel adventures. See you next time.